Dave with Sell House Columbus, sellhousecolumbus.com, and we're here at our office at another closing. I'm here with another Dave,
Yes.
and Dave flew in all the way from Oregon to sell a property here in Columbus.
Yes.
As you all know, we buy homes here in Columbus, any condition, any situation. And Dave, how did you hear about Sell House Columbus?
You had a very effective direct mail ad, and I responded, and we're here.
Here we are.
Yes.
And what was your experience like, or what has your experience been like working with our team and with our representatives?
Let me just point out, Walker was an outstanding sales rep for you guys. He was prompt. I liked how he brought a lot of energy and creativity to the process. I was also impressed with the way he demonstrated flexibility in terms of meeting my brother, who actually met him at the house. And then the thing that really closed the deal for us was the speed, how fast you guys were to make this close. I think from the time I was noticed to the closing was about 20 days, which was important for me since I flew from Oregon and didn't have a lot of time. So
Right.
very impressed with the service, the company, as well as the sales rep. I think it's a sales rep, right?
Sure.
Okay,
That's what we'll call him today.
Yeah, call him a sales rep.
We call him a team member.
Team member,
around
right.
here.
Team member, right.
He's definitely part of our team. We're proud of Walker.
Good man.
And finally, what would you say to somebody else who's maybe in your situation, who has a house they want to sell, but they don't want to do any repairs or anything like that?
It's the way to go. I was looking at a lot of months, independent contractors, a lot of headache. I was managing this from afar. You guys offered up a plan and a process that really simplified that and took that off the table for us. It also simplified it for my mom, who had to deal with a lot of stress and emotion with this change. So very effective, well done. And if you need me as a further testimony, call me.
You're the man.
Call
Thank you
me.
very much.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure to meet
Yeah,
you.
it's been fun.
And if you have a house you want to sell fast and easy, find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. I'm Dave. This is Dave. And we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, nice job.